So you want to invest in a recurring deposit, but you don't know much about it. Nobody even talks about it and nobody even seems to know what it is. I will tell you what an RD is and how you can get the most out of it. RD stands for a recurring deposit. Basically, it's a deposit that you make on a recurring basis again and again over a period of time. This deposit also gives you a fixed interest. But a valid question that comes up in everyone's mind is, how long do I invest in? What is the right tenure for an RD? To begin with, different banks offer different tenures anywhere between 6 months to 10 years. But for how long should you invest in it? Simple. That depends on your financial goal. Is your financial goal to save money for your kids' education? Then you need to choose a longer investment horizon of say a decade. If you want to buy a small car, then you need to choose a tenure of 4 to 6 years. If you just want to save for a vacation, then a shorter tenure of 6 months to 2 years will do. So, the tenure entirely depends on your financial objective. But keep in mind, most banks offer greater interest when you choose longer RD tenures. If your bank is one of them, choosing a longer duration RD could get you higher returns. A significant benefit of RDs is that they generally offer higher interest rates and returns on your savings than most savings accounts. In the end, I'd just like to say, recurring deposits are among the safest and most effective ways to create the lump sum that you need. All you have to do is stick to it and invest consistently. RDs will bring much needed safety and stability to your portfolio and take you closer to your goal one step at a time.